chunk cookies with my family. They're delicious and easy to make. My name is Patrick, and let's bake! Today we're preheating the oven to 350 degrees. I always preheat the oven before mixing the ingredients because that gives it plenty of time to warm up. The first thing we need to do is cream together one cup of butter. Well, this is sticky. There. Half a cup of brown sugar and a quarter cup of white sugar. And for that, I use my hand mixer. It's hard to do it though with one hand. There. This is hard. This is hard. It's going everywhere. Good. There. Oh. Okay, we'll just set that right there. And cut this off. There. Next, I'm going to add a large egg and a teaspoon of vanilla. While that mixes, we're going to get our dry ingredients ready. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. There. Next, we're going to take the dry ingredients, put the mixer on one, and then take it right here and set down there now. My friends also like chocolate chip cookies, but my favorite kind of cookies are chocolate chunk, because I can make the cookies as big as I want. Like this one. Then I'm gonna cut a little more pieces. And then we're going to slowly put the chocolate chunks into all the other chocolate. With all the other chocolate. When chocolate is cut, we're going to gently fold the chocolate into the dough. to be a good cookie. And we're gonna get all the chunks off the sides before you can actually dump it in and dump it on the cooking rack. There. Paper so the cookies won't stick to the pan. I use my scooper to scoop up all the dough and put on the pan. Yeah, there. Always have a little grown-up help you put the cookies in the oven. I'm gonna do some dishes right now, and I'll see you when the cookies are done. But first, they're going to be hot, so we're going to put it on the cooling rack about 15 minutes. They look delicious! And whoa! I got.
It's over. Put it out of there.
Okay.